how to create a passive income stream using email without an email list. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you how to create a passive income stream, especially if you are a beginner, a newbie to making money online using email marketing without an email list. So you will need 0 subscribers, 0 autoresponders, 0 websites. You don't need anything to start and actually see results today. So I'm going to share this strategy with you in just a second. First of all, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell and leave me a comment. It can be just to say hi, it can be you telling me where you are from, so just leave me a country of your origin. If you have a question, you can always leave me a comment as well. And right now, let's jump into this video, how to create a passive income stream without an email list. So guys, first of all, why email? Okay, I would say 80 to 90% of gurus out there, people that make 6 to 7 figures online, use email marketing for at least 50 to 60% of their sales. Okay, so I have some stats for you. As you can see, 4.3 billion people use email, which means that it is very, very easy to target them and to access them. 300 billion emails are sent daily, and the most important thing for us is that for every $1 you spend on email marketing, you can get a maximum of $42 in return. So this is what's super exciting about email marketing. And again, you will be actually able to get email traffic with no email list. Okay, so I'm in my email inbox right now. So as you can see, I'm getting tons of emails, and the thing that most email marketers struggle with is that actually getting into the email inbox, because they sometimes go to the spam folder, okay, or to the junk folder or to the promotions tab. Now you'll be bypassing all of this and you will be getting 100% email traffic from the first position right here in the email tab. As you can see, this is an ad. So we will be actually creating these ads and bypassing everything else and going straight to the first position and the inbox of your buyers. Okay, so the secret to doing so is Google Ads. Okay, so guys, these ads are super cheap, especially if you're gonna pick your audience right. You can pay literally pennies, and as you saw, for every $1 you spend, you can make up to $42 back. So this is super exciting. And again, you're getting all the email traffic with no email list. Okay, so I'm just going to show you super quickly how to create a campaign. Obviously, you will need a Google Ads account. So I already have one. All you have to do is just click right here on the new campaign button, and then you will go right here where it says create a campaign without a goal guidance. Okay, so let's click on it. And as you can see, this is where the magic happens. Okay, you're going to click on display ads. Okay, so we have a bunch of different ads. We are going after display ads. And right here, as you can see, we have a Gmail campaign, which means that you're going to be targeting people with Gmail accounts, which is 70% of people that actually use email or have an email address. Okay, you can add your business website address or not. For now, let's just click on continue, and let me show you super quickly how to set this up. Now, by the way, you can use this for any product, for any niche, and for anything you really want. Okay, so first of all, again, type is Gmail, then we have the campaign name. So let's just do 1, 2, 3 locations. Now obviously you want locations depending on the product, they'll be different. So I would say for any product that you're promoting as an affiliate marketer, I would target top tier countries. What are top tier countries? USA, UK, Canada, Australia, maybe some European countries, but I would definitely use these specific countries. So don't target like Africa and South America. I would target mainly US here. So let me just leave it as all countries for the moment. Next up, obviously you're gonna have to add the language. So it will be English in this case. Bidding. If you are new to Google Ads, I would just leave it as is, so high quality traffic. Then obviously you can go back to it and tweak all of your campaigns. Budget, I would start with maybe $20 or €20 per day just to see if it works, or if it doesn't work. Next up, group name. So you can actually create different groups. For the moment, I'm just going to create one ad with one group. Now, this is where the most important part comes into play. Okay, we have audience keywords, audiences, and demographics. Okay, so obviously, again, depending on the product you're promoting, you're gonna have to find related keywords and the right audiences. So for the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche, the audience would be something related to business, online business, digital business, etc. Okay, so we can just search for them right here. So for business, we have starting a business, we have business creation, purchasing a home, so obviously going to go through all of these categories and just pick the ones that make sense for the product that you are promoting. And again, you can just go to ClickBank, you can select any product in any niche. So you can go with fitness, diets, dog training, golfing, whatever you want to promote. You will find the right audience for it right here. So this is how you do it. Next up, we have audience keywords. So again, you can put the right keywords, and in many cases on ClickBank, you will actually get the keywords and the audiences from the vendor. So you're promoting a product as an affiliate for a vendor, and this vendor will actually give you all of this information, and all you have to do is just run the ads. And next up, demographics. This is optional. So if, for example, if this is a product mainly for females, obviously you will not target males, or the other way, or if it's unknown, you can target both age groups. So obviously if this is something new and hype, you will not be targeting people over 55. And obviously you can pick parents or not parents, and also household income. So if it's a more expensive product, you will probably have to stick with top 10 household incomes. Okay, next up, we're going to be creating the ad. So let's click on get a new ad, Gmail ad, and at this point all you have to do is just add your business name, headline, description, final URL. So this would be your affiliate link, and you're going to be adding images or videos if you want to. Okay, so as you see, we have a preview right here to show us how it looks on the phone and on the computer. So this is how it looks like. So again, headline, let's say this will be changing in real time. So guys, this is how you set it up. It's super easy. Again, once your ad going to be ready, all you have to do is just click right here on create a campaign, and it will start running. Okay, so as you can see, you will actually be presented with your targeting group. Okay, so I didn't really target anyone, so that's why I have 380+ million people. Obviously, if you're niching down, if you're going only after like people who own dogs or people who work in the medical industry, etc., this will be much smaller. So guys, this is how you set it up. Again, most people don't even know that you can create Google ads, and these will not be like ads on a blog or on YouTube. These are actually going directly to the inbox, and this is the first position in the inbox as I showed you right here. So you're going to be getting tons of eyeballs. All I have to do is just go to ClickBank, pick a product that is selling well, pick a product from your favorite niche, find the right audience for it, start promoting it, and you will get traffic, you will get eyeballs, and you will get sales as soon as today, because you can literally set this up in a matter of minutes. So guys, I won't be creating a full campaign showing you exactly how this all works, but with that being said, my buddy Brandon just went live with a product that actually explains all of it. So obviously I can't make this video 2 or 3 hours long. A full course on how to make money with this is already live. This is me and Brandon, by the way, and as you can see, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and I have a full review of that course. Okay, so the course is called the No List Secret, and if you will decide to pick it up, I will actually send you a huge bonus worth well over $5,000. Okay, so again, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to my blog. Then to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links, and I have a review, I have a demo, and I have a full breakdown of my bonuses. I have a huge bonus package to it, the funnel and everything else. So you can go through this whole blog post if you want to get more information, or you can just pick it up right now. Just click on one of these blue links. It will take you to the sales page, and you will get the whole course, and it's $13, by the way. So this is something super cheap, a one-time price, and you can start actually getting results today, because this is something you can go through in a matter of 2 hours, start implementing this, and make your first sale today. So guys, again, this is this course, the No List Secret. If you want to see exactly how it works, if not, I hope I just opened your eyes to the possibilities of getting email traffic without an email list or without an autoresponder. So again, please like this video, comment on this video if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and I will be seeing you shortly in the next video. Ciao.